everyone, this is Born in Batanes once again. Today I'm going to show you how I cook my lemongrass chicken. So let's start. I'm using the chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken or you can use a whole piece of chicken. It's your preference. So I'm slicing the chicken breast into bite size. It's better if it's a bit smaller so it soaks up all the seasonings that we're going to put. So after we slice the chicken, we are going to marinate it. I'm using sugar. It's basic. Sugar, pepper, fish sauce, and dark soy sauce. So as usual, the recipe will be written in the description box below. So you want to marinate your chicken at least 30 minutes before cooking. In my case, I marinated it for half a day. So the longer you marinate, the better the taste. So now we're going to chop the rest of the ingredients: garlic, onion, and lemongrass. So the lemongrass I'm using is the one that I picked from my garden. So we just chopped it finely, and then our onion, and then the lemongrass. For the lemongrass, you can chop it. For me, I'm just slicing it a bit bigger because the family doesn't like the small pieces of lemongrass in the chicken, so they can pick it out. And so after that, after I chopped everything, I put half of it in our chicken to marinate so the chicken can absorb the taste while marinating. And then so now our chicken is ready for cooking. So it's very basic: a hot pan, oil, and I'm putting the lemongrass first so it has time to sweat and so that we can extract the flavor. So give the lemongrass some time to sweat in the pan so that we can really extract the flavor, and then we can add the garlic and the onion, and then finally our marinated chicken. So after adding the chicken, give it a good stir and then put the lid on, and then you want to stir it every now and then so that it cooks evenly. And as for the seasoning, you can always adjust while cooking if you feel that you need to add more. But the recipe itself is perfect for me. So as usual, it's your preference. And if you have a leftover, you can use it for fried rice. It tastes really nice, and I urge you to try it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for joining me once again. I hope that I shared something interesting and useful to you. And please do try it. If you tried it, please let me know how it goes. And if you have a question, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It will help me a lot. And hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Again, thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.